Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review an optical mouse from Dell. So guys, this is a Dell's optical mouse here, and the model number is ms116. This is the most sold product from Dell, the most sold mouse here from Dell, and today we are going to review it. It comes with a 3 years warranty as well, which is amazing. Like, a mouse is something which actually gets spoiled with use quite easily, but Dell is providing a 3 years warranty on the mouse. I have never seen a warranty on a mouse like more than 6 months, but Dell is warrantying it for 3 years, which is amazing here. Scratch for authentic code, so you just need to scratch this part to get an authentic code outfit. High speed USB here. It's a high speed USB mouse. It's an optical mouse here. Right here we can see the Dell branding right on top. The name of the product is an optical mouse. Here's the what they say, the product ID or the product name. MS116 is the model. So yeah, so that's all the information available here. Coming to the price of the product, the price is rupees 650 for this optical mouse, which is quite reasonable because it's providing you 3 years of warranty as well, right? What we get with this in this box is basically one mouse and instruction manual. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox it. Remove the seal here and then open it. So inside the main box there is another cardboard box here which has a Dell branding again on it, on this side as well, and shows an illustration of the mouse as well. And here is the mouse. So unbox it. And here is the mouse here. So this is a mouse. And here's the instruction manual that I talked about. We get an instruction manual as well. Let's keep that aside. And let's look at the mouse. So this is how the mouse comes packaged in a plastic wrap again. And the mouse and the wire are kept separate. So let's quickly open it up. So if I look at it, the overall build quality, so guys, the overall build quality is really nice of the mouse here from Dell. And if I look at the quality of plastic used, is really high quality plastic used here. Also the quality of the wire used is very nice. Yeah, and a pretty long wire here. It's folded right now. I think it's as long as 2 meters in length, I guess. But it's really nice and long wire here. And coming to the part, then the input of the wire is a USB right here. We have a USB point. It can go into any of the USB slots. So it's a USB 3.0 USB right here that we have. And overall the build quality is pretty good. Overall build quality is pretty good here. It has a scroller which is good. It has a nice left click, very touch sensitive left click and right click here. And then there's an optical mouse. So it has a laser light here, the red light here. And right on this mouse also we can see the Dell branding right here. So it's a very good mouse. I have been using the same Dell mouse I think over 2-3 years now, and now I replaced it after a long time. But yeah, the overall build quality is pretty good here from Dell. So guys, I'm really happy with this product, and if you all are looking to buy this Dell mouse online, it's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.